Domino is a listening system that helps people with hearing loss to hear better in busy situations where hearing aids alone may not be enough. It brings out the words so you can hear them loud and clear, even when there is a lot going on in the background. You can, for example, use Domino at a business meeting, when you're out dining with friends, or to hear a distant speaker at a seminar.
Imagine being in a meeting where you can actually pick up every word that's being said, even if they come from a distance. That allows you to be contributing into the meeting and you don't have to ask people to repeat themselves. Domino Pro is a great way to interact with your friends and your colleagues in almost every thinkable hearing situation, and it's really easy to use.
The Domino system consists of a transmitter and a receiver. The receiver captures speech close to you. Wear it on your sleeve, around your neck, or place it on a table. The transmitter picks up speech from further away. You can, for instance, ask a friend or colleague to wear it. The sound is streamed over an encrypted link to the receiver and sent to your hearing aids or speech processor with the help of a neck loop. In a typical meeting, you will use the receiver to pick up the words from colleagues sitting next to you, and the transmitter to pick up the conversation from across the table. Words that without Domino could be quite hard to distinguish. Domino enhances speech and filters out the unwanted background noise before it reaches your hearing aid or speech processor. The clean and crisp sound makes it easier to hear the words, so you can join the conversation without effort. The Domino Pro units are equipped with two different microphones. While the omnidirectional microphone is useful in quiet surroundings, you can use the directional microphone to point to the person talking when it is particularly difficult to distinguish speech. This is especially useful in busy environments, such as, for instance, restaurants. There are many situations in daily life where hearing can be a real challenge, like in school, at work, or even at home by the TV. Domino is designed to help you overcome these situations, where hearing aids alone are often not enough. Discover the joy of better hearing with Domino.